Back in the saddle. Today, guys, is a real special video. We're unboxing M1 Mac. Yes, an M1 Mac. The newest thing released by Apple. Look at that. Look, this is innovative. Thanks, Apple. This is really helpful for my videos. Look at that. There's probably a working iPod over there, but we'll worry about that later. Oh, what's this? Oh, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, whoop. There she is. There she is, folk. Right there. It's thumbnail time. Okay, back to the video. ASMR. Can we do? I'm gonna do ASMR. Oh, we can't do ASMR. Oh, too bad. Go away. Please stop local USPS stores from abusing your boxes like this. Oh, there we go. This is a silver. If you couldn't tell, it's a silver one. Has 1 terabyte storage, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and it has the M1 chip in it. Look at that. Beautiful. Ooh. This came straight from China.
Hey, China!
Because it was a custom order. It took almost a month to get here, guys. Gotta lift it up. Lift them up. Lift it up. Am I opening this correctly? Okay. There it is. There's the funny box. Throw it away. I'm just kidding. I know how much you guys would kill me if I throw that away, so I'm not going to. There's some beautiful goldfish. There we go. And that's my old Mac watching this. So, ooh, guys, I'm about to blow. Ooh.
Oh, hell
no. Ooh, feels great. USB-C. Had to get used to that. And designed by Apple in California. The great smell. There's a charger right there. I'll have to look into that. I'll set it up at some point off camera because that's probably really boring. You guys came for this bad boy. Gone. Ooh. Oh, they have the sound again. I forgot about that. ASMR. Wow. Touch bar. The escape key. Ooh, what's this? Buttons. Inglesia, please. Continue. It's setting up. Country or region. Ooh, where am I? I'm gonna guess the United States is towards the very bottom. Guys, I'm special, so if I miss it, don't worry.
You stupid.
You what? Come on, one more.
macOS contains a screen reader.
No, quit speaking. No,
you know how to
no, stop. No, I'm not special. I need to set this up real quick. I don't know which one's mine. It's doing something. Oh, no, I have to do this. I don't care. I'm not doing it right now. I want to get using this thing. Yes, it's on my soul. Yes. What's this? Yes, I totally have. You guys have heard it here. Oh, account. Oh no. Account name. Gotta keep it funny. Nah, I gotta keep it family friendly and safe for children. Password. You aren't gonna steal my Mac anytime soon. think I did it correctly. Password hint. I'm gonna do this off camera so you can't guess what the password is. We gotta keep organized. Organizado. There we go. Perfect. Express setup. I don't care. Sure. Yes, totally. Screen. Yes, 12 hours of screen time. No, I hate Siri. Continue. Touch ID. This one. There we go. We're doing it. We're doing it. Doing your mom. Ooh, little touch bar. Hello, touch bar. Ready. I like using auto, so I'm built different. True tone's fine. Looks good. And there we are. It's set up. Let's look. Let's look at all the beautiful settings. Battery preferences. I gotta see that percent. And let's turn this up a bit. 5 minutes. Battery. Ooh. Ooh. Battery health. What is my battery health? Yes! At least the battery's new. That's all we worry about. Look at power adapter too. What? Oh, I didn't even read it. My computer from sleeping. I don't care. Can you not see the percent anymore? Hold on, what's this? Oh. Beautiful. What? Oh, touchy. That's gonna get very beautiful. Oh, mute button. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, you can have your bright. Oh, whoa, whoa. No brightness. Let's go. Let's do. Oh, beautiful. What else is on here? A musica. No. But that's the new Mac, guys. I'm gonna be trying this thing out for a few weeks, using it with school and stuff. I'll let you know how it goes. So thank you for watching.
I own a mansion but live in a house. A king-size bed but I sleep on the couch. I'm Mr. Brightside, glasses half full. My tank is half empty, gasket just blew.